Templates. Templates of often used task details may be created and stored in the system work pack for quick retrieval and import into an open work pack. This allows for accurate setup of task detail and wording. This also saves admin time by allowing the task to be readily imported. Templates also allow for correct and standard phraseology to be used on work packs. Scheduled tasks may be imported from Avdex AMP maintenance tracking program. Importing task cards from AMS work pack template. Create templates. If a template system work pack does not exist, create a template work pack. Hover over work pack on the main menu and select work pack. Click on New. Enter a new work pack name. Select Template Work Pack, System, as work pack type. Do not select Aircraft, Customer or Purchase Order. Press Insert. A system work pack has been created. Create templates. If a template system work pack exists, hover over work pack on the main menu and select work pack. On the right-hand side of the screen, select WP type from the work pack type drop-down list. Press the filter icon. Click on Span a quick link to open new task card. Select New. Enter task description. Select aircraft component for default link. Select card type. Part and serial numbers will be added on the final work pack if required. Enter task detail. Pre-enter action taken for conformity. Manual link will be entered at time of action to correctly reflect the revision status of the publication used. Reference field may be entered on task card completion if the task was carried out according to an SB, AAD or company engineering order. Tick the logbook tick box if the task requires a logbook entry. Select if the task is scheduled. Select the action type from the drop-down box. Press Insert. Importing task cards from a system work pack. Hover over work pack on the main menu and select Task Import. Select Aircraft Registration. Select all components or individual components to link imported task. Select the target work pack. Select the template from which the tasks will be imported. Click on the Import Task Cards button. The template is imported into the work pack. Importing task cards from AMP. Hover over work pack on the main menu and select Task Import. Select Aircraft Registration. Select all components or individual components to link imported task. Select the target work pack. In the Import from AMP block, select the Include tick box to save the AMP rectification detail. Select the number of months to forecast. Or, if it is only required for a single shared ID to be imported, enter the single shared ID in the given field. Click on the green AMP Due Tasks button.